Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's City Drive, we're in Eau Claire, Wisconsin. We'll be driving through the downtown area as well as some residential neighborhoods, and we'll be telling you about the city as we drive. The city of Eau Claire is the county seat of Eau Claire County, although the very northern part of the city spills over into Chippewa County. The city is located at the confluence of the Chippewa and Eau Claire rivers. The name of the city is adapted from the French words for clear waters, referring to the water of the Eau Claire River. European explorers first visited what is now Eau Claire in the 1600s, although the area was occupied by American Indian tribes for thousands of years prior, specifically the Sioux, Chippewa, and Winnebago tribes. Permanent European settlers arrived in 1845 and the city was incorporated in 1872. Eau Claire became an industrial city with timber and logging industry and the opening of sawmills in the late 1800s. Due to the presence of Silver Spring Foods, Eau Claire claims to be the horseradish capital of the world, although Collinsville, Illinois, which we passed through on our I-55 series, makes the same claim. Silver Spring Foods is the world's largest grower and producer of horseradish, which makes Collinsville's claim, even with their giant ketchup bottle, dubious at best. Apples, plums, and pumpkins are also grown in the Eau Claire area. Menards, a Midwestern chain of home improvement stores which resemble a cross between Home Depot and Walmart, is headquartered in Eau Claire. In the downtown area, the Pablo Center at the Confluence is a theater complex that is dedicated to the performing, literary, and visual arts for people of all ages and backgrounds. The Blue Gold Marching Band, based out of the University of Wisconsin-Eau Claire, is the largest and most active marching band in the Midwest with 475 members. The band was formed in 2000 and presents a unique style of marching that, quote, combines the precision and artistry of drum and bugle corps with the high energy level and style of some of the great show bands of the South, end quote. Eau Claire is home to the Blue Ox Music Festival, the Country Jam, the Decadent Cabaret Music Festival, the Eau Claire Jazz Fest, and the Eau Claire Festival. Along the streets of the downtown area is a sculpture tour with 53 sculptures, making it the second largest tour of this type in the United States. A farmer's market is offered in Phoenix Park from May to October. Annual events in town are the Winterfest and Games, Silvermine Ski Invitational, the Banbury Art Crawl, Jigs Up Ice Fishing Contest, the Wisconsin Sports Show, the Eau Claire Improv Fest, the Viennese Ball, the International Fall Festival, and Gatsby's Gala. Eau Claire is home to 3 colleges: the University of Wisconsin-Eau Claire, the Chippewa Valley Technical College, and the private Emmanuel Lutheran College. Eau Claire is served by the Chippewa Valley Regional Airport, located in the Chippewa County section of Eau Claire at the northern end of the city. We conclude our city drive here. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.